Ang Cebu Province ay mayroong 53 municipality including 9 cities at mayroon itong 1,203 na mga barangay entire Cebu Province. Ang Cebu Province ay part ito ng Region 7 or Central Visayas Region. Ang municipalities sa entire Cebu ay ang Alcantara. Mayroon itong 9 barangays. Alcoy, 9 barangays. Alegria, 9 barangays. Aloginsan, 15 barangays. Argao, 45 barangays. Asturias, 27 barangays. Badian, 29 barangays. Balanban or Balamban, 28 barangays. Bantayan, 25 barangays. Barili, 42 barangays. City of Bugo, 29 barangays. Boljoon, 11 barangays. Bourbon, 19 barangays. Carcar City, 15 barangays. Carmin, 21 barangays. Katmon, 20 barangays. Capital City of Cebu, 80 barangays. Compostela, 17 barangays. Consolacion, 21 barangays. Compostela, 17 barangays. Cordoba, 13 barangays. Daan Bantayan, 20 barangays. Dalagit, 33 barangays. City of Danao, 42 barangays. Dumanhog, 37 barangays. Ginatilan, 14 barangays. City of Lapu-Lapu, 30 barangays. Liloan, 14 barangays. Madridijos, 14 barangays. Malabuyos, 14 barangays. City of Mandawi, 27 barangays. Madilin or Midilin, 19 barangays. Minglanilla, 19 barangays. Mualbual or Mualbual, 28 barangays. Uslog, 29 or 21 barangays. Pilar, 13 barangays. Pinabunggahan, 26 barangays. Furok, 17 barangays. Ronda, 14 barangays. Sambuan, 15 barangays. San Fernando, 21 barangays. San Francisco, 15 barangays. San Remigio, 27 barangays. Santa Fe, 10 barangays. Santander, 10 barangays. Sibunga, 25 barangays. Sugod, 18 barangays. Tabungon, 25 barangays. Tabuelan, 12 barangays. City of Talisay, 22 barangays. Toledo City, 38 barangays. Tuburan, 54 barangays. At Municipality of Todila, 11 barangays. So 53 municipalities, 9 cities, 1,203 barangays sa entire Cebu Province.